So once again, it's snowing out. And I think with this storm, we actually got more than we did in the other ones, the other storms. I'd say we got pretty close to inches of snow. And it's still supposed to snow for the next couple of hours. And could be over an inch, maybe even 2 inches by the time the storm's done. And the weird thing is, it's supposed to get really warm out. It's supposed to be in the 60s by Tuesday. So all the snow is probably going to melt within a day or two. It actually wasn't supposed to accumulate this much. And yeah, I guess that's it for the video. So see you guys in the next one. Probably do an update in a little while from now. But yeah, see you guys next time.